Student exercise 3.3. In question number 1 and 2. Yes, students.
Screen is not visible.
Okay, student, wait a while.
Screen is
Okay, wait a while. Now, students, screen is shared.
yes sir.
Okay, students. Yes.
Screen is not
Yes, students. Okay, students. In exercise 3.3, question number 1 and 2, have you any problems?
No sir.
Question number 3.
No, sir.
Question number 3. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle D plus angle B 180 degree? ABCD. In which angle D plus angle B students, angle D plus angle B is equal to 180. It may be parallelograms, may not be parallelograms. Students, angle D plus angle B. First condition is such that angle D plus angle B is equal to 180. Students, square in square angle D plus angle B 180 degree. In rectangle angle D plus angle B 180 degree. But in parallelogram it is not compulsory angle D plus angle B will be 180 degree. In rhombus it is not compulsory that angle D plus angle B will be 180 degree. The question is that it may be parallelograms or may not be parallelograms. हो भी सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता. Student, is it clear? Angle D plus angle B. If angle D plus angle B is equal to 180, it will always be parallelograms. Please tell me. Om Singh, if your opposite angle sum will be 180 degree, then it will always be parallelograms. Poonam, it will always be parallelograms. No, it is not compulsory. It will be always be parallelograms. Students, note down it. If this condition is given, it may be parallelograms. It may be parallelograms. Or may not be parallelograms. Not be parallelograms. Student, any doubt, any problems? Any doubt? Kushi Kumari? Any doubt? Vartika?
No.
Any doubt, any problems?
No sir.
अगर आपके पास अपोजिट एंगल का सम ऑफ अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज ऑफ 180 डिग्री, इट मे बी parallelograms or may not be parallelograms. Now student, our second condition is a quadrilateral is given. Second condition is given, a quadrilateral is given. That is your A, B, C and D. in this quadrilateral, students, in this quadrilaterals, AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC. That is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. AD 4 centimeter. AD 4 centimeter. And BC is 4.4 centimeter. Aditya, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Student, you are observing the figure and you are observing that AB is 8 centimeter, DC is 8 centimeter, AD is 4 centimeter, BC is 4.4 centimeter. Student, please tell me that, Aditya, this quadrilateral will be parallelograms or not?
No, sir.
Why?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
parallelogram.
No, sir. Parallelogram.
Yes, Aditya. Complete your sentence.
Sir, because in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal.
Very good, student. Very good, very good, very good.
Sir, there is
Friends,
one.
a quadrilateral ABCD, no quadrilateral ABCD is not a parallelograms. No. Quadrilateral ABCD is not a parallelograms. No quadrilateral ABCD is not a parallelogram because opposite sides of a quadrilateral is not equal. अगर किसी क्वाड्रिलेटरल की अपोजिट साइड इक्वल है, if opposite side of a quadrilateral are equal, that quadrilateral will be parallelograms. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Om Singh, Anand Reddy, Vinamra Spala, Sumit Singh, Poonam,
Oh, sir.
Kumari. Any doubt, Sachin? Any doubt, any problems?
Complete open and paint.
No.
Sir.
Yes, students. Yes. Do it fast.
Then there is.
Sir, please put it back in. Sides.
Student, have you done?
Yes,
Yes,
No, sir. Yes, no, sir.
Do it.
No, sir.
Do it. Now, student, third condition. Third part is
Yes.
a quadrilateral that is ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABC is a quadrilateral in which angle A 70 degree and angle C is 65 degree. C is 65 degree. Students, please tell me this quadrilateral is a parallelogram or no?
No, sir. This is not parallelogram.
Why?
Because the sides are equal of parallelogram.
Sandhya,
Opposite angle.
Sandhya, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, student, please tell me that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram or no? Sandhya,
Yes, sir.
this quadrilateral will be parallelogram or not?
Yes, sir.
So, Soumya Shukla, Soumya Shukla, your voice is not coming. Aditi Yadav, this quadrilateral is a parallelogram or not?
No, sir.
Why? Why?
Sir, because its opposite angles are not equal.
Yes, sir. In quadrilateral opposite angles are not equals. In quadrilateral ABCD, opposite angles, angle A and angle C, opposite angles are not equal. Opposite angle are not equal. So quadrilateral ABCD is not a parallelogram. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, students. Student, question number 4. Student, question number 4 as a homework. Question number 4, the answer will be kite. Question number 4, answer will be kite. I have already discussed in the introduction portion. Now
Yes, sir.
we will discuss question number 5. Question number 5. Student, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Student, question number 5. Read the question 5th. The measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angle of parallelogram. What happens? Pin drop silence. Adjacent angles of a parallelograms. Right, it is your parallelograms. ABCD is a parallelograms. And adjacent angle are in the ratio of 3:2. Angle A 3x and angle B 2x. Student, find the measure of each of the angle of the parallelograms. Students, let two adjacent angle of a parallelogram ABCD. Let two adjacent angles angles of a parallelogram ABCD. Angle A is equal to 3x and angle B is equal to twice of x. twice of x. Student, ABCD is a parallelogram, and as we know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equals. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equals. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Angle C is equal to angle A, 3x. Angle D is equal to angle B, that is twice of x. Friends, opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal, so angle A 3x, angle C is equal to angle C is also 3x.
3x.
Angle D is equal to angle B. Why? Opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal, that is twice of x. Yes, students. Sum of a quadrilaterals. Students, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be y. Angle D is equal to
See next 60 degree.
60 degree. Y. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle A. What is angle A? Twice of x. What is angle B? Twice of x. What is angle C? Twice of x. What is angle D? Twice of x. Is equal to 360 degree. That is 10x. X is equal to 360 divided by 10. 36 degree.
360 डिवाइड में किससे हुआ है?
10.
360 means sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is of 360 degree. 360 degree. This is a quadrilaterals, and sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is of 360 degree. 360 degree. Now students, required angle of a parallelogram are required angles of a parallelogram.
Good morning, students.
Which it means your good morning is important. It means your good morning is important. Your question is not important. Who is saying good morning in the class?
Sir, it
Rishu? Rishabh? Who is?
No, sir.
Who is?
Sir, issue.
Rishu, where are you? It means you did not focus on the question. I will tell your parents today.
सर मैंने किया.
किसने किया फिर? Totally focus on the question. If you have any problem, any queries, discuss in the class. Don't try to disturb the class. Required angles of a parallelogram ABCD. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. What is angle A and angle C? Thrice of x. Thrice of x.
degree.
Student, what is x? 36. 3 6 are 18. 1 carry. 3 3 are 9 or 110. 108. Now student, angle B and angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. That is twice of x. What is a what? X is 36. That is 72.
22.
72. Now student, angle A is angle A as well as angle C is 108. Angle B and angle D is equal to 72. 72.
Good morning, students.
Who is that?
Yes, teacher.
Ma'am, ये सब बोल करो.
Yeah, sir. Now 5 minutes.
Now student, angle A is equal to angle C. 3x 3 into 36, that is 108. And angle B is equal to angle D, that is twice of x. 2 into 36, that is 72 degree. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Who is this Rishabh?
If an angle of a parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angle, find the angle of the parallelograms. Question number 7. Student, it is your parallelograms.
Sir, question number 6 is in homework.
Yes, student, homework. Try it, and if you face some problem, then ask me tomorrow. If an angle of a parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angles, students, we will consider an angle that is your x. Let an angle be. Let one angle of parallelogram be. Let one angle. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, all the questions here and your copy.
Yes, we have to complete all these questions in your third notebook. If an angle of a parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angles, students, this is your angle, and an adjacent angle will be. What will be the adjacent angles? Adjacent angle will be 2/3 of its adjacent angles. If one angle of a parallelogram is 2/3, 2/3 means 2/3. Student, then adjacent angle will be. Then adjacent angle will be. Angle will be. That is 2/3. 2/3 of x. 2/3 of x. That is 2/3 of x. Now student, ABCD is a parallelograms. AD parallel to BC and AB is a transversal. AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC. This is your parallel lines. and this is your transversal. This is your transversal. Students, AD parallel to BC and AB is a transversal. Is a transversal. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, students.
Sir,
Yes, friends.
say my wrong question. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, after books there is another question given.
Which question is given?
Sir. Yes.
Student, which question is given?
The figure is also given.
Sir, student.
Student, which question is given? Don't worry.
HOP is a parallel.
Okay, student. Okay, student. Okay, student. Student, don't write question number 7. It is an extra questions. Write in extra questions. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Extra questions.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Extra questions.
Sir, what is the question?
Question is such that it is if one angle of a parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angles. Adjacent angle, एक एंगल दूसरे एंगल के एडजेसेंट एंगल का 2/3 है. 2/3. एक एंगल we have to consider an angle that is x and another angle will be 2/3 of given angles. That is 2/3 of x. 2/3 of x. Now student, as you know that these are adjacent angles.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes students.
What you have printed between AD and AB?
AD and AB. Yes, AD and AB. Student, AD and BC.
Sir, what you have printed?
AD parallel. Student, AD parallel is a parallel sign. Parallel sign. AD parallel to BC and AB is a transversal. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Now student, what is x? What is angle A? A is x and B is 2/3 of x. That is your 180. Student, take the LCM. That is 3. That is your thrice x plus twice of x. That is 180 degree. Now student, it becomes that is 5x by 3 is equal to 180 degree and 5x is equal to 180 into 3. X is equal to 180 into 3. That is 5, 36. X is equal to 108. X is equal to 108. Student, your angle A will be 108.
Sir, please scroll up.
To it, angle A is equal to 108 and angle B will be 2/3 of x. 2/3 of x. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
The very small into
Angle B is equal to 2/3 of x.
the 5x is equal to kiतना?
1 second. That is 3 3 is 36. That is 72. Now required angles of parallelograms are required angles of a parallelograms is Angle A is equal to angle C, that is 108. Angle B is equal to angle B, that is 72 degree. Why? Opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Angles of a parallelograms are equal. That is the parallelograms.
Please draw up.
Dear sir, please roll up.
Just friends. Wait.
So please draw it up.
Just scroll it up a little bit. So can you please write the question?
Yes. Question is, if an angle of a parallelogram,
Please scroll it up.
student question, your question is, if an angle of a parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angles. Adjacent angles.
Roll up.
Adjacent angles.
So please draw it up.
Adjacent angle. Find the angles of parallelograms. Find the angles of parallelogram. It is your questions. Of a parallelograms. Students, any doubt, any problems?
Sir. Oh no. No, sir.
Do it.
No, sir.